It's nice to see you again. This is Grenville, your expert on tools to promote your business and advance your brand image. Facebook, with its extended network, is an excellent platform to promote business. You can use the business page feature to promote your business and sell your products. In this video, I am going to show you how to do that. When you go to your Facebook newsfeed, select the option that would give you a drop list of different aspects of your pages. As you can see, I have already created business pages for my various brands. Go to Manage Pages and click on Create a Page. You would be given two options. One is if you are a community or a public figure. The other is if you are a business or a brand. Since we are going to create a business page, this is the option we will choose. You need to give a name to your page and a category. The options available on Facebook are extensive and should definitely cover your business. Click on Continue. You can upload a profile picture. In my case, I have uploaded one of my logos and a cover photo. I have selected a free photo from Unsplash. And this is how the final page looks like. The profile picture on the left and the cover photo at the top of the page. You could replace your logo with your photograph if you so wish. The next you need to do is to create a username. So select a username and click on Create Username. And this would appear below your page name. People can now find you both with your page name as well as your username. Provided an action button which you could use to direct traffic to the relevant site or email address that you prefer. There are various options available. I suggest have them contact you. Again, you could give your phone number, your email, WhatsApp. I suggest to give the website, which I have done here. I have set up my web link. And once you click Finish, you would require to reconfirm. And you are done. When people click on the Contact Us page, they will be redirected to the link or website that you have selected. You can modify the settings on this page based on the privacy and what information you want to show. The next is to edit the page information, and this is something you should do while you're setting up your company page. The first thing is the description, to give a short description about yourself and what you do. Facebook directs traffic to your page based on the categories that you choose. So select the options of what do you do and what are your roles, which will keep your page relevant to the information you receive. Phone number, your website, your email. You could choose to display or not display this information to people who visit your page. You can sync all the contact information which you have on Facebook to Instagram. There's an option about messaging. You can modify the templates and the tabs. I am doing a separate video on this. You can control how the people and other pages interact with your page. Your integration with Instagram. And cross-posting is a great feature provided by Facebook where content on one page can be shared with the other pages of the same management. You can actually give the rights as well as control how the information flows, and I suggest to activate this on your page as well. My logo, customize cover photo, username, customize the tabs on my page. See, and I have created a separate video on how to go about doing this. You can manage your post on the page, and I've created a video on how to do this as well. As you have seen in this video, Facebook has a very straightforward and simple way to set up a company page. I suggest you go today to Facebook and set up your company page to reap the benefits of this vast network and ensure your company brand is promoted on this unique platform as well as. I'm sure you've learned something new today to help promote your business and advance your brand. Do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow my Facebook page for similar content I publish every week. Stay safe in these difficult times. This is Grenville wishing you well. My next video is on how to schedule posts on Facebook. Stay tuned.